Hi guys. First of all, sorry for my English. It's not so well. Okay, let me introduce to my tutorials. First lesson: download video from YouTube, edit sound into Adobe Audition. In this lesson, I'll show you how to properly download an audio file with highest quality, and then how to improve this quality in Adobe Audition, and how to convert stereo into Dolby Surround 5.1. It's very good sound. Okay, lesson 2: making small city sample and the Houdini landscape. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download small city sample from marketplace of Epic Games, and how to make a landscape in Houdini. Lesson 3: edit landscape and assign materials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit the landscape and assign materials. Okay, lesson 4, lesson 5, and lesson 6. Scene modeling in Houdini. In this lesson, I will show you how to model in scene in Houdini. Okay, lesson 7. UVs, how to make UVs in the Houdini and export from Houdini to Unreal Engine. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do UVs to all our scene, and how to export the scene into Unreal Engine by using plugin of Houdini. It's work very good. Okay, lesson 8: making materials for scene. In this tutorial, I will show you how to assign materials to all components in the scene. Lesson 9: set up video background and the sequences. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download video from YouTube and assign it to like materials, texture materials, video texture to the screen, and how to make a main sequence in which there will be subsequences. Okay, lesson 10, lesson 11, and lesson 12, lesson 13. In this lesson, I will show you where to get good spotlights and how to set them up into Magic Q, and how to connect Magic Q to Unreal Engine. Okay, lesson 15. Create MetaHuman. This tutorial, I will show you how to create MetaHuman for new technology. Okay, 8K. Okay, lesson 15, lesson 16, lesson 17, and lesson 18. Animation. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make animation for our characters. I want to make characters in the Character Creator 4, and after that to transform to iClone 8, and after that by automat using a plugin export all characters and animation into Unreal Engine. Okay. Lesson 19. Working with cameras. In this lesson, I will show you how to work with cameras properly. Okay, and last one, lesson 20, I will show you how to render in Unreal Engine 5, and after that, all our pictures, XR, we export to Premiere Pro, and how to very good quality make in the Premiere Pro by rendering all our sequences in there, and how to put to our video a sound file with 5 channels and one subwoofer, Dolby Surround, to this video, and that output will be our file, video file, music video, will be with Dolby Surround 5.1. Okay, bye.